Oh my god, I don't know what the heck. It's like a ball.
Can I see?
It's like a ball.
Can I see?
No.
Can't see it. Are you taking pictures?
Yes, oh my god. It is a video. It's a UFO, I think. Seriously, Analote. It's like a ball of fire or something. No, you cannot see it.
Oh, yeah, I can
My
see.
camera.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. What the heck is that? Oh my
Mira,
god.
hay otro ahí.
¿Dónde?
Mira, aquí.
That's a plane.
Ah, it's a plane.
What the heck is that? ¿Qué pasaba? Oh my god, I don't know what the heck. It's like a ball.
Can I see?
It's like a ball.
Can I see?
No.
Can't see it. Are you taking pictures?
Yes, oh my god. It is a video. It's a UFO, I think. Seriously, Analote. It's like a ball of fire or something. No, you cannot see
Can't
it.
even see
Oh,
it.
yeah, I can
My
see.
camera.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. What the heck is that? Oh my
Mira, hay
god.
otro ahí.
¿Dónde?
Mira, aquí.
That's a plane.
Ah, it's a plane.
What the heck is that? ¿Qué pasaba? No sé lo que es, It's a UFO or something.
No, it's a drone.
No, definitely it's not another. What I'm seeing here is like a ball of fire or something.
Can you take some pictures?
Well, I'm doing a video. It's better.
Can you take some pictures? Then you can zoom in, have it?
Yeah, you can't.
Yes, you can.
No, don't worry. It's better if do a picture.
I can't see it. Can't see it on my camera.
¡Qué pasada! And it's going super fast because
I can't see it.
that must be quite far. And for a plane,
It's not coming out of my camera.
so it's coming in my own. It looks like it's disappearing.
No, it's not. It's just changing direction. It's gone.
No, I can still see.
I can still see
Oh
it.
no, yeah, I can see it.
I can still see it. It's difficult.
Can you do a picture before it goes, honey?
No, you weren't able to zoom in.
No, I prefer a video. What the heck is that?
Probably could be a UFO.
Yeah, definitely. That's not a plane. That's not a rocket.
But it's not
It's moving. It's rotating
Yeah,
because you can see the sunlight on it, and then it goes dark.
yeah. It's like it goes and come back, goes and come back.
Maybe it's.
They disappear now.
No, it's not disappearing. It's turning. So when it catches the light,
Yeah, it's like in a,
It shines.
it's in a different dimension or something. You know, it's like rotating all the
yeah,
time.
that's what I mean. See, now it's black.
I think I still there, but I don't know. What is it?
I can see
It
it.
goes black and then it shines.
I think they know what I know. I saw it. I think they know what I know.
What, do you think it's a UFO?
Oh, definitely it is, Miguel. That's not a plane. But I lost it.
No, I can still see it.
Oh yeah, I saw it.
It shines and then it goes black.
Yeah, I saw it
So it's
again.
rotating, whatever it is. One part of it doesn't shine.
Ya se me haven't got a camera. Because the camera, it's got lots of zoom. But with this one,
Can't you try and take a picture?
it's coming. No, Luis, it doesn't matter the picture.
Yeah, but then you can zoom in. Abby.
Okay, I'm gonna try.
Now it's gone black.